Hi, I'd like to thank Dersie for sending me this Batana oil and the Batana oil shampoo so that I could try these out and give you my opinion about them. I'm going to show you what I did with this, but first I want to tell you about the Batana oil. It's 100% Batana oil from Honduras. It's got this great applicator tip, and you can see it is oily. It smells like coffee, but that's what Batana oil it's what it smells like. It just smells like coffee. That's the natural smell for Batana. And then the shampoo has almost no scent that I could recognize with this at all. So you can put it on your hair, throughout your hair, on your scalp, and then leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it out. Or you can use little bits of it on your scalp only and then style your hair. And I will show you that in another video. But let me get back to how I used it. Okay, here we go. It's got that nice kind of pour spout on the top. So you can put the oil directly on your scalp and rub it in, or you can put it on your hands and then rub it in that way as well. I've got a bunch there. I put it on my scalp. I also put it all through my hair because I'm going to wash it here really soon. But as you can see, I've applied it to my scalp. I've applied it to my hair and just really massaging it in really, really well. Now I'm gonna put my hair up in a clip and I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. You could also do this at night and leave it in all night and wash it out in the morning. But 30 minutes are gonna go by. So I love this stuff. I highly recommend it. I am gonna do another video of using the oil and then styling my hair. But right out of the gate, this stuff is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it. Thanks.